tell you that everything about you is chemistry. And perhaps maybe he's talking about the nano in our life. And so I adjure every one of us to be patient and enjoy the lecture. Thank you very much.
Let's clap for VC. This morning I was going to my mother and I wanted to bring chemistry down to a job. I was said it's likely to be that way. Without wasting more of your time, I want to respectfully call on the Orator University to please program and take the citation of the inaugural lecture.
Dixon. Dikio. Citation. Professor Ezekiel Dikio was born in 1960 in Jankarama to the family of Dixon, Amakri, Amotebo Dikio, and Madam Beatrice Dikio, both of Indiama in Ahwata East local government area of Bayelsa State. River State. The son of a school teacher, Professor Dikio had a primary school experience that would delight every child. He entered government demonstration primary school in Surulere in 1965 to begin his primary school education. At the outbreak of Civil War hostilities in 1967, they moved to Yenagua, and he entered St. Peter's Primary School, Yenagua, from 1967 to 1968. He moved on to St. Peter's Primary School, Akenema, from 1968 to 1969, St. Andrew's Primary School, Duke, Port Harcourt, St. Paul's Primary School, Garrison, Port Harcourt, 1970 to 71. Akko State Primary School, Krigene in Oba Edema local government areas of River State, 1972 to 1973. And finally, in 1974, he passed his first school leaving certificate examination at Indiama. Professor Dikio was admitted to secondary school, Government Secondary School, Jankarama in 1974 to begin his prime secondary school education. And in 1979, he took brilliant grades in the subject of the West African School Certificate Examination and showed exceptional promise in the sciences. He received a Division I classification, which will be the equivalent of a first class in the university system. He entered the College of Science and Technology, Port Harcourt, for preliminary studies in the Department of Chemistry with an eye on medicine. Although he never made it to medicine, his love for the sciences, particularly chemistry, remained undiminished. In 1983, he was awarded the higher National Diploma in Applied Chemistry by the River State University of Science and Technology, Port Harcourt. In 1985, he was awarded the Bachelor of Science degree in Applied Chemistry by the Americus University, Washington, D.C., in the United States of America. He returned to River State University of Science and Technology to study for postgraduate degree in analytical chemistry. And in 1991, he was awarded the MPhil in analytical chemistry. For his doctoral studies, Professor Dikio was admitted to the Northwest University in Masking, South Africa, to commence his research in physical chemistry. And following the presentation and defense of his dissertation, Professor Dikio was awarded the Doctor of Philosophy in Physical Chemistry by the University of Northwest Mafeking in South Africa. Professor Dikio began his career in 2005 as a lecturer at the Northwest University. From 2007 to 2008, he was assistant professor at Berla Institute of Technology and Science, BITS, Pilani, Dubai Academic City, United Arab Emirates. From 2008 to 2011, he was a senior lecturer at Vaal University of Science and Technology, Vanderbilt Park, South Africa. In March 2017, he received employment as an associate professor at Niger Delta University, and in October 2015, he was promoted to the full rank of Professor of Physical Chemistry in Niger Delta University. Professor Dikio has held several positions within the university system. In 2008, he was head of Physical Chemistry Division, Vaal University of Technology. In 2012, he was appointed Director of Research Group, Applied Chemistry and Nanoscience Research. He has published extensively in the area of his specialization and has received numerous awards for his research excellence. His publications have received 750 citations in Google Scholar, 501 citations, 501 citations, and 28,745 reads on ResearchGate, and 465 citations on Scopus. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, may I present to you a dedicated scientist, exceptional research scholar, a seasoned administrator, and now Professor of Physical Chemistry, Professor Ezekiel Dixon, Dikio.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am humbled by this citation that has been done to me. Mr. VC, good afternoon. The VCs and Deans of Faculty, good afternoon. Thank you for this time that you have come here. Before I begin this presentation on this title, I would like to introduce my wife. She's over there. This is Dikio. My DVC said that when you say a woman, DVC is not so. Said with every successful or by every successful man is a woman. Story of every man. Yes. In the success story of every man, there is a woman. Thank you, my dear. Yes. Yes, because it is true. And you can imagine what takes place at home sometimes. Sometimes it is pure chemistry. It's not cooking, it's chemistry. Why did you write this molecule here, not that molecule instead? You know, she's my second eye and third eye. In everything I do, I give the paper to her. Look at this paper. What do you think about this line here? And then she will give me an expert opinion. Amen. Thank you. Yes. Here also is my mom. And my mom is here. I didn't know she was going to make it. Uncle Jonathan Murphy is here. My very good friend, I never knew it was going to happen. Bishop of the Niger Delta, Right Reverend Victor Angbade. When we were at nobody thought we were going to be here. You know, let me not continue with that. I will just say that he was my best man during my wedding. So, it's nice to have a future bishop as your. Thank you very much. I want to welcome everybody to this inaugural lecture. I know that I have just 1 hour to give this lecture and my time is fast spent. The title, Nano, Nano, Nano. Somebody told me, what does nano mean? And I wanted to explain. He said, is that tiny, tiny, tiny? Small, small, small. I said, yes. Or micro, micro, micro. I said, yes, it's smaller than micro. These objects are smaller than micro. They are smaller than tiny. And then when I met Dr. Kigiha this afternoon, he said, if you are dealing with nano and you're in chemistry, then we have to transfer you to biology. Because that's where we have nano materials. I said, no problem, I will transfer. Yes. I'm grateful to this university, and I'm grateful to God for giving me the opportunity to stand before you. To be elevated as a professor is not a simple item. It is something that some people dream about. It's a lifetime issue. So I want to thank the university, Vice Chancellor, and my Dean, and all the members of the University Council for finding it necessary and appropriate to, after looking at my academic work, to make me a professor. Thank you very much, Mr. Dixon. Nano is a Greek word. And the word, like we know, many words are Greek words. And in the Greek, they call it nanos. And in Latin, it is nanus. And it means something that is very small, a dwarf. Something that is as small as, if you take a meter and you divide it 1 billion times, that simple or small speck that, even with our eyeglasses, I see many people using eyeglasses here, even with our eyeglasses we can't see, is what we mean by nano. Nano has been around for a long time now. It is something that people are using every day today. But I want us to look at the things that are nano. And I want to start by looking at the first one. We have nano rice. If nano is that small, you can imagine this rice. It is very, very small. Nano rice. We have nano beans. You can imagine they are all from Italy. So I decided to go to the market, Mr. Bisti, to look for nano gari. After which I looked for nano moi moi. Mr. Bisti, they were not found. And they are not found. I think that we are going to do something to make sure we have nano gari and nano moi moi in the near future. Amen. We want to have nano gari. We have a nano car as well. It's a very small car. Scientists from Rice University developed this car. And you can know, like the VC said, everything is chemical. We use chemicals to arrange them into a car chassis. And you can see, my DVC admin knows this, you can see it. They are fullerene molecules that are connected together with benzene rings to form a chassis that looks like a car. And the nano car is very small, it's as tiny as the hair. And after which the scientists went on to develop a car race. I was talking about it, people drive as if they want to go to heaven, But here, these cars, they are driving with chemicals, and they are small cars, and winner in the car race. The track is so small, it's as thin as a human hair. But to them, there are eyes, but the race is taking place. We also have nano police cars. that has been manufactured today. It is one of the cheapest cars, so small. I think that our police can use it also. Then we have Nano soap, a soap that you go to hotels of these days, you see this soap, it's so small. You cannot even hold it, you cannot even handle it. It's called Nano soap. We have a Nano Bible. So if I say, for those who are going to church, there is a Nano Bible. For those who love the Bible and don't want to carry big Bibles as they are going to church, because they are ashamed. You know, there are people like that. When they want to go to church, it is designed by the Israelites, and it is so small, it is in the Guinness Book of Records. It is nominated for Guinness Book of Records as a Nano Bible. We have Nano Flying. This small helicopter is a Nano helicopter. It is something that we desire, especially with this our traffic jam at Tombia and about. We're going to look for how to get it so that we can fly from there to Amasoma Street without passing through Tombia and about. Mr. BC, we also have Nano Frog. This frog is so small. You see what physical things are here. Yes, this is Nano Frog. It is actually physics 10. Frequently resolved optical grating by a nanometric object, which is frog. It is really not the animal frog, but a very small item also. It is also a physics item. Nano eggs are asymmetric specks of matter whose conspicuous optical properties can be exploited for molecular imaging, medical diagnosis, chemical sensing. So nano eggs range from about 20 times tinier than a red blood cell. So it is a very small thing. So that is a new invention from Rice University. They call it nano egg. We have nano robots as well. This is the direction science is going. When you have a disease in your body, we will not give you paracetamol or Panadol anymore. In the nano robot, we will put the drug in the robot. And then rather than you drinking paracetamol that will go around your body, the robot